Hello guys, I'm back. Going to the fundamentals. What is MAWP? My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Follow my profile and like this video to have hundreds of content related to chemical process engineering and plant design. The word MAWP is the meaning for maximum allowable working pressure. And why the chemical process engineer that wants to work with chemical process engineering plant design must know about this phrase or about this word. He or she must know about it because it defines or it is important information for your safety process or your safety relief devices. Every time that you are dealing with process safety devices, you must know what is the maximum allowable working pressure of the equipment, because if you exceed the maximum allowable working pressure, you can have a rupture of your equipment, and because of that have an incident or an accident, and you want to avoid that at any cost. Something to consider that is very important: every time that you inform the maximum allowable working pressure in a document, you must inform also the temperature. And if you are reading or receiving information from a vendor, a supplier, or another person, and you find only the information for pressure, the maximum allowable working pressure is the units of measurement is pressure, you must ask for the temperature. What is also the design temperature, and why you must do that? Because the maximum allowable working pressure decreases as the temperature increases. Most often we are talking about materials done by steel, and when you increase the temperature of steel materials, you decrease the resistance, and the maximum allowable working pressure is related to the resistance of the material. Share this video with students, graduates, and engineers to help them know more about chemical process engineering and plant design. This is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.